Hi, I'm Tom from Dignity Lifts. Dignity Lifts makes electrically lifting toilet seats so that you can maintain your dignity and your independence. They also prevent falls and injuries. We make three models. The most popular one is our deluxe lift, the DL1. It's sleek, efficient, it works really well, and has the controls right on the handle, so it's easy to use. Perfect for people who want to maintain their lives in their own home. Sometimes commercial facilities want a lift too, and we make a great model for that, our CL1, commercial lift. It has large wheels with locking casters. That way you can wheel it from room to room to room and let more than one person use it in a day. So a great product for the commercial market. Some people are operating on a budget. For them we have the BL1, our basic lift. Offers everything you need at a price you can afford. So there you go. We're Dignity Lifts. We make lifts that allow you to maintain your dignity. Our website is dignitylifts.com.